Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I am back with some projects. I'm going to be posting some things. Usually what I do is when I have a free time or free weekend, I work on a bunch of projects, and then I kind of post them. I kind of make videos for all of them, and then I post them all kind of at one time, and so then you'll see a lot of things that are sort of themed together usually. It's just I'm really busy, and that's kind of the way that I can do it and have some time. So one of the things is I have bought a lot of stuff recently, and so it takes a lot of time to put them all away and all of that. So what I decided to do was to craft with these items before I put them away, and that way I actually am using what I bought. We'll see how far I get with doing that. But it's been really fun because I'm playing with all new stuff mostly, or stuff that I've had in my stash and I haven't had to able to use. So that's the case with these cards that I made. So I got this fairly recently, maybe not so recently, but I know I did a haul of some Stamp Market clearance that I got. And this is one of the Stamp Market clearance items that I got. I actually really like this, and I need to remember to use this because I've seen lots of projects being done using background stamps that are very similar to this one. I actually just have, I think I have a regular buffalo checked plaid that doesn't have the center, but I really do like it. It looks really good. You do really need a stamp positioner, I think, to really get a good, crisp kind of stamp impression. I'm almost thinking that I need a new Misty too, because I'm kind of struggling with getting good impression. And so a lot of these I had to like re-ink and stamp multiple times to kind of get a clean impression. So I use this one, and then I use this daisy stamp set, which was really fun to use. I actually have the dies as well. It's called Cheerful Daisies. It's by Sunny Studios from 2020, and it's a layering stamp set. And so excuse me, it actually has it tells you kind of what goes next, what goes first. There's 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, and then this other size, so that you know how to stamp them, what order to stamp them in. And then the die cuts really nicely. So the same with the leaves. And so this is the first time I've used the stamp set, so that was kind of fun. And then these are the cards that I made. So it's very spring cards. And I also use, I don't know if I have it out here, I used a couple of die sets and stamps, sentiment stamps. There. I don't, here they are, I think. Here's one of them. I don't know where the other one is. Let's see, the other one must be hidden away somewhere, but I know I used the thank you, and then there's another stamp. This one doesn't have a die set, but I used one that has a stamp and a die set that is, I don't know where that one is, somewhere in the mist. Maybe I put it away. But so I got a couple of these sentiment stamp sets when I did my haul as well. And so this one I use the stamp thank you. And then there's another one that has this one that says have a nice day. They fit, some of these fit really, really nicely in this center opening. So they go really great. And so I made this one. It says have a nice day. And I just used a couple of the little daisies with the leaves. And it's very spring. And then this one might be my favorite. I think I just really like the yellow and sort of the white and gray daisies. So it's basically a white daisy, but I use this light gray. So I think it gave it a nice look with the yellow, kind of like a sunflowery kind of look to these daisies. And then this one says, oh, happy day. So the oh, happy day and the have a nice day must be the same sentiment stamp set, both from the Stamp Market. And then here is the thank you that is from this one. And so I just took and made like a frame around this one. And so really, really fun. Easy to do because there's no coloring. So these are all ones that you would just stamp and no coloring. So it's a lot quicker process in a lot of ways if you don't have to color anything. So Really enjoyed making these. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Playing with the Heart.